Got the car you want to clean? Thought you had the magic answer with the cool foam sprayer power washer combo, only to find that this is a tremendous pain in the butt. Look at how much leverage there is with this bottle on the end. I found an answer. Super simple. You pull this off like that, replace that old school power washer wand with this, and how about that for an answer? You don't have that big old leverage. You just got this perfect pew, pew, pew. Clean that car. This thing is ridiculous. First off, it is amazing quality. They magically know exactly which hardware you need to install it. Came with this fitting, these two fittings, and look, it fits perfectly on there. What do you say we at least use it, make sure it works the way we expect? Okay, you've been watching this thing in action, and oh man, did it work amazing. So much better than that big long wand. You should definitely get yourself one of these, no doubt about it. Actually, as a matter of fact, there's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way, neither one costs you anything extra to use them. Hey, if I've added some value, remember to like the video, follow the channel, smash that hype button if we're here on YouTube. And if you have any questions about the process or the equipment, obviously throw them down in the comments. Let's have a conversation about it. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.